Today, I feel like ranting on something. I feel like ranting on what it means to lead a business. I see a lot of social media stuff at the moment and things that'll pop up in my feed or even on LinkedIn where people are talking a lot around, do you spend too much time in your business and like doing things? Try and have more time on the beach and all that crap. To me, that's not what leading a business is. I feel like if I was in a company where the leader of that company was always traveling overseas, non-contactable, didn't really know what he did or she did, that I felt like I was working more than them, I was doing more than them, I would feel pissed. I think to me, leading a business means you should work more and harder than anyone else in the organization, because that's what it means to lead. You want to lead by example. At least that's how I want to lead.
I don't have a heap of time, but you got me worried, so what's up?
And I don't want other people to ever feel like they're getting taken advantage of, or they're all doing the work while I'm taking the profits or anything like that. So I'm very conscious around that. I think that's just my DNA in general, of just wanting to work and not really thinking about it too much. But then when you really dig down to the why and the motivation around it, is just like, I will never stop, because I want to make sure that I am always showing every staff member that I'm working my ass off and that I'm doing whatever I can to help the business and helping them achieve their goals.
You're a gun.
Oh, okay.
So for me, leading is leading by example, and that comes in many forms. And one of the other things recently that people have started asking me is around I guess income and money, because we are the size we are and there's a lot more money involved, just around being fancy, because I don't have a fancy car and I don't have a fancy house. I definitely want a fancy house at some stage, but I've never been one with bling or watches or jewelry or fancy clothes. I just do everything as minimal as possible. I'm not someone that shows off wealth or anything like that, and I see a lot of business owners who get a little bit of success and they start doing this persona, and like you see all those entrepreneur coaches and business coaches, they always have videos in front of a Ferrari or a mansion or a Bentley, or someone driving them and they're in the back in a Bentley, and it's just like, come on man, like, sit the fuck down. I think it's quite American, that more show-off culture. But in Australia, you're starting to see it as well with some of the entrepreneurs that are kind of coming up. But it's never been something that's part of me. And I feel like as a staff member, if I saw my boss doing that and I was driving around in this rusty bucket of trash, and I see the boss rock up in a Ferrari and I feel any ounce of underpayment, I will be pissed. So leading to me is leading by example, doing more work than any of your staff, and presenting a really good framework around you working for them and leading by example.
So it's not like this is what you must do every single time, it's how you get it.
Yeah.
I guess is what I'm trying to say, but it's just like, you got to this and we likely told you why you got to where you are, and it might have been that you're engaged with the company a lot, that you were seeing the people, that you were getting good results with your clients, that you were communicating frequently and comprehensively. So there's all of those things.
Everyone talks about how important culture is and what do you need to do to create it. What we've done to kind of embed our culture is around how we treat our staff, around support and development. People are so worried about keeping people happy all the time that they have just surface conversations that never actually delve into anything, and as a result you don't really get to create that culture and create that stronger relationship rather than surface relationships. So I guess as we hire new people, Peter and I and the rest of the management team and hopefully our entire team work hard to kind of embed these people within our organisation as much as we can, have those conversations early and often, and really try and figure out on an individual level what they need, not just what they want.
So that everyone else can follow in your footsteps, and as you get managers and hire managers and senior managers and new people join the company, they see a progression, they see what it takes, they see the similarities between that, and you need to be, I guess, the pillar of the whole thing around the vision, mission, values of the company. And if you're not doing it, then no one else will feel the need to, because again, you need to lead by example.